Hello, friends. Every step I'm about to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax, we're going to fix it. When these Ford Explorer vehicles arrive at the shop, the first thing many customers mention is that the transmission feels odd, like it hesitates or gives a small jolt when shifting gears. They say things like, "I feel a jerk when I accelerate," or sometimes the transmission takes a second to respond. It's not that the vehicle stops moving, but it's enough to notice that something isn't running completely smoothly. In the workshop, we've realized that in many cases, this isn't a serious mechanical issue, but rather it has to do with the transmission programming and the condition of the fluid. One of our mechanics always says, before opening a transmission, first check the software and the fluid. Many times that fixes it. Ford even published technical bulletins about harsh shifts or irregular behavior in certain models, so a module update and a fluid change usually make the transmission feel smooth and reliable again. While we're checking the transmission, another detail that comes up a lot is the sync touchscreen and all the related electrical systems. Some customers report that the screen freezes, restarts on its own, or takes a while to turn on. It's not uncommon to hear the screen stays black and then starts working again, or the system takes a while to boot when I start the Explorer. This is generally due to software issues or problems with the screen control modules. One mechanic in the shop says something we often reference. Many times it's not the screen itself. The system just needs a software update or a module reset. And in most cases, dealerships solve this with a software update or by replacing the module if it's damaged. The good news is that it doesn't require taking anything apart, and the vehicle works like new again. Speaking of electronics, another issue that tends to appear in Explorers with some years and mileage is the suspension. Some customers report noises when going over bumps or turning at low speed. In the shop, we often hear comments like, "Every time I go over a hole, I hear a knock in the front." When we lift the vehicle, we usually find that the noises come from bushings, stabilizer bar links, or control arms that wear out over time. This repeats in the shop with comments like, "I replaced the links and the noise disappeared," or "It was the bushings that were worn out." One mechanic always explains it like this: "These SUVs weigh a lot and are used for long trips or towing, so some suspension parts wear out sooner." The good news is that by replacing links, bushings, or control arms, the noise goes away and the SUV feels solid and stable again. And while we continue talking about these Explorers, another detail that owners sometimes mention is engine oil consumption in certain engines. It's not always excessive, but several say, "I have to check the oil frequently because it drops quickly." The shop mechanics know this can happen in older engines or those with high mileage, usually related to piston rings or small internal leaks. Ford has also issued recommendations for certain engine batches, and what we usually do is monitor the level regularly, and if consumption is high, repair the components causing it.